The fight against Tifitifi people for Naija no dey for only government and na everybody. Na Presido Muhammadu Buhari na im yarn this one, and this ogbonge informate so na on top with tori for today. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk am for Aso Rock, Abuja, say make National Assembly sharp pass the bill wey dey on top Special Crimes Court matter. He talk this one for the National Summit for Diminishing Corruption in the Public Service wey Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) wey dem do with collabo with the Office of Secretary to the Government of the Federation. As he talks, say make judiciary put body for the creation of special crimes courts for the country. President Muhammadu Buhari talks say this bill matter na koko for im administration economic recovery and growth plan for 2017 reach 2020.
I therefore urge the legislature to fast-track the passage of the Special Crimes Court Bill to handle corruption cases. Passage of this bill is a specific priority of this administration's economic recovery and growth plan.
He can use the event to mark the launch of Constituency Project Transparency Group (CPTG) report phase 1. He tell ICPC and other agencies on top law matter them, civil society organizations, media and development partners, make them continue to support government to see say better policy dey ground to tanda Naija matter well. He talks say for over 10 years now they don't put 1 trillion naira for constituency projects them for the country, and them never see wetin this big money they do for Naija people life.
The ICPC has my full support and the support of this government to hold fully to account contractors, complicit public servants, and project sponsors who divert funds meant for constituencies or other people-oriented welfare projects of our government, or who by other means reduce the quality and value of such public projects.
He can talk say ICPC get in administration full support to fit gbab account contractors them, public servants, project sponsors where they carry money wey suppose dey for constituency projects them and Naija people life go their pockets. He talks saying administration go continue to support anti-corruption agencies to fit collect all the money wey no clear, as the people wey them don gbab go face better law matter them, and anything wey them get for their hand, them go sell the assets them and put the money for the country treasury accounts.
This administration will continue to support anti-corruption agencies to recover all ill-gotten wealth and prosecute offenders. We will ensure that all fully recovered physical assets are sold and the proceeds remitted to the treasury.
The judiciary and legislature self can show their full support for the fight wey President Buhari administration they do to flush corruption comot for the country. As Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Tanko Muhammad, and Chairman Senate Committee on Top Anti-Corruption and Financial Crimes, Suleiman Kwari, them can talk wetin their office self go do to fit join President Muhammadu Buhari to flush corruption katakata comot for the country.
The judiciary, under my watch, will never condone any act of malfeasance among judicial officers. I will do everything possible to stamp out every form of unethical conduct from our fold.
Over the next budget cycles, we will be systematically increasing the funding of law enforcement and other anti-corruption agencies. We will also be benchmarking their performances to ensure that value for taxpayers' monies are met.
ICPC Chairman Professor Bolaji Owasanoye, he talk on top the work where ICPC don't do, as them don't do better check until waiting MDAs they do. And he talk say people where they thief money, when no they pay tax, pension, health insurance them, so make them sack the head of the agency and make the person may face law sharp.
ICPC will take enforcement actions, including recovery of diverted funds, name and shame, and prosecution of the most serious cases of infraction, while putting some MDAs on a watch list due to their vulnerability or the propensity to corruption. We recommend, sir, that diversion or non-payment or remittance of tax, of pension, health insurance, or any other statutory deduction should attract dismissal of the head of the agency and immediate prosecution.
For this event, two ogbonge Naija people, ACG Bashiru Abubakar, with the Naija Customs Service, and Josephine Ogun wey dey Federal Airport Authority for Nigeria, they don gbab 2019 Public Integrity Award as dem no let Tifitifi matter or big eye for money enter the service wey dem promise to do for Naija pipo. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach as Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am say the fight wey im administration dey fight for Tifitifi pipo body for the country, e no dey for only government and na everybody na im go join hand take do this one. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And for una to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. As our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.